Hello everyone, and welcome to another Unity video on my game. So this is the latest version, and my gosh, I have spent so much time on this. Like, the whole thing is basically a new game. I added a creative mode, a survival mode, totally revamped everything. So I'm just going to show it off here. So we'll start at the menu. So I actually have headphones plugged in, so I can't. Okay, there we go. So basically, you start on this menu. You have your start game or quit. I know it's kind of an obnoxious sound. Hit start game. You can go survival or creative. We'll just do creative for an example. And yes, I did install the low poly FPS package because to help me work with weapon systems. And please comment down below. Tell me whether you think using asset store packages is like okay in your project. I'm just interested. Just had this for fun because I felt like it. So I renamed it this because I was kind of inspired by Gary's mod here. So you'll see in a second if I hit play on this and mod flatgrass. It's kind of like the Gary's mod type of style name. So as you see, I have the low poly weaponry pack, and actually I made it fit quite smoothly with like a weapon switching system. So you can shoot, and then you have a spawn menu, and obviously your character doesn't move when you're in the spawn menu. So I thought that was a cool feature. You have running animations, and with the spawn menu you can spawn. That's a bit laggy. 1 second. Let's try that again. There you go. So you can spawn different items. Like, I only have 3 in at the moment. I'm sure I could add, hundreds of them. Rigid body is slightly off. As you can see, I just sent that thing flying with 1 bullet. Let's see if I can hit it. Yeah. So a bit of physics work to be done here. So yeah, and then you obviously have a menu. You can leave the game, whatever. And then I'll show you my second creative world. And yes, I did design the UI, all these button scripts, menu scripts. I made everything except for the weapon systems. And yeah, that's basically so same thing, different map, whatever. Planning to add a ton more to the creative mode side of things. I just really thought it'd be cool to add a creative mode just because of other games that I've seen. So tell me what you think about that. Now survival mode. I start a new game here. So the survival mode. So I basically recreated the entire thing, and it's totally nothing's really been added here. So basically the survival mode is totally fresh, but there's nothing really in it yet. There's no, well, there is harvesting, but there's no animation, there's no text like the last version, so I'm planning to add that definitely within the next update. So when 0.9 comes out, I will definitely make a video on it. I'm sure I'll add a ton to the survival mode for sure. And this was a rather quick video because I have to go soon. But yeah, you have your inventory, you have your materials, which was in the same version as before. You have your crafting menu, which I'm still working on, and you have the settings, the leave game, you know how it is. I can definitely fix the lens flares, the skybox. Also, thank you for all the good news on the last video. A lot of people liked it. A lot of people commented good suggestions. So once again, if you have any suggestions, positive or negative, whatever you're thinking, just please leave them because I love reading the comments, getting some new things. So yeah, this was a shorter update video, but I haven't really added as much content as the last one. So as soon as I get more content out, probably by tomorrow I'll make another one. I don't know, depends. I'll definitely make another video on this. Definitely add to the survival mode especially. Maybe add a few new prefabs to creative mode, vehicles. I could add a little vehicles section up here. So yeah, any ideas you have, anything you want. All the comments on the last video of all the ideas I'm planning to add within the next update, so, or within the next few, because it depends, because I got a lot of suggestions. So to all the people that commented, I think I got 4 comments. Thank you very much. I'll be adding your suggestions very soon. So thank you everyone for watching. Once again, suggestions down below. Also, whether you think using other people's asset packages that you pay for is okay or not, just tell me your thoughts. Yeah, whatever you're thinking. I know this is a rather short video, but I'll probably make another one tomorrow, so thank you for watching.